Many of us have been enthralled by courtroom dramas, where lawyers deliver powerful speeches, witnesses buckle under scrutiny, and the truth emerges amidst a storm of high-stakes dialogue. However, as entertaining as these scenes may be, real-life cross-examinations have their own strategies and tactics that rarely make it to our screens. Today, we'll explore some of these interesting tactics that add a layer of complexity and gravitas to the judicial process. To begin with, let's debunk one of the most pervasive myths presented in courtroom dramas: the incessant barrage of aggressive questioning. While television often embellishes this aspect, in practice, seasoned attorneys favor a more methodical approach. They employ a technique known as looping, a calculated method that involves methodically repeating a witness's previous statements to highlight inconsistencies. By subtly weaving these inconsistencies into the ongoing narrative, attorneys guide the witness to inadvertently expose weaknesses in their testimony, often without the high-octane aggression depicted on screen. Now, picture the moment when an attorney reveals a pivotal piece of evidence. On TV, it's often presented with grandiosity and flair, yet, in reality, the art of cross-examination is more akin to a chess game than a theatrical performance. One such tactic is the quiet confrontation. Here, attorneys introduce incriminating evidence gradually, allowing the witness and, by extension, the jury to mentally process the significance in real time. This technique is preferred by many legal professionals because this steady buildup lays the groundwork for undeniable revelations without the need for dramatics. Another lesser-known aspect often overlooked by television is the importance of tone and demeanor. Contrary to the aggressive, confrontational tone seen on screen, real-life cross-examinations often require a calmer, more measured approach. By maintaining a respectful and polite demeanor, attorneys can build trust and lead a witness to more candid responses. The psychological impact of feeling at ease often encourages a witness to reveal more than they might have intended. This subtle but profoundly effective tactic underscores the importance of the human element in the courtroom, a nuance that smaller screens struggle to capture. Let us shift our attention to the power of silence. Though rare in television portrayals, silence is a potent weapon in a legal professional's arsenal. After asking a carefully crafted question, an attorney may choose to remain silent, forcing the witness to fill the uncomfortable gap. There's an innate human tendency to avoid silence, an attempt to explain or elaborate, which often leads to unintentional revelations or admissions. The strategic use of silence capitalizes on this psychological principle, making it an unexpectedly influential tool in real-life courtroom dynamics. Another intriguing tactic is the use of echoes, where the cross-examiner repeats the witness's statement back to them with a lilt of incredulity or surprise. This subtly challenges the validity of their words without overt confrontation. It can nudge the witness into reevaluating their statements, sometimes prompting a revision or admission of uncertainty. The gentle art of creating doubt through echoes is a sophisticated strategy that television rarely conveys in its true light. Finally, there is the strategy of sequencing. The decision of how to order your questions is critical. In reality, attorneys meticulously plan the sequence to lead witnesses down a logical path. This is far removed from the rapid-fire, disorganized questioning so often seen in fictional portrayals. By strategically arranging their questions, attorneys can guide witnesses step by step towards disclosing essential information, thus building their case incrementally in the eyes of the judge and jury. These tactics embody the subtle art of persuasion that lies at the heart of effective cross-examination. They reveal a multifaceted approach rooted more in psychological insight than the sheer aggression of their fictional counterparts. Real-life attorneys rely on the same careful observation, intuition, and strategic acumen as master strategists. While they may not provoke the same immediate excitement as their dramatic counterparts, these authentic techniques are critical in the pursuit of justice. As we draw to a close, it's evident that the courtroom is a theater of its own, but not in the way television might suggest. The real drama lies in the expertise, patience, and tactical finesse exercised by legal professionals who aim to uncover the truth. By understanding these nuances, we gain a deeper appreciation for the skill and dedication required to navigate the intricate web of the legal system. This exploration into the drama factor reminds us that beyond the script and dramatization, the true courtroom is a place where sound strategy, humbly yet powerfully, stands above the theatrics portrayed on screen.